Backyard shooters.
So I'm going to talk about my new Glock 26 Gen 4 I just picked up. I'll open it up and I'll explain a little bit about it, and I'll explain why I chose the Glock 26. So this is the box it comes in, which is a nice box. So there it is. And I already loaded up the magazines. It comes with a cleaning brush right here. And it also comes with a cleaning rod, which a lot of other pistols don't offer this, which I like. It's nice. It comes with 3 magazines. The Gen 4 comes with the 3. There's 1, there's 2, and there's 3. And they're 10 rounds, which 10 plus 1 is 11 rounds, which is really good. Comes with a lock. Comes with back straps. You can change these out, whatever your preference is on the grip. I'll probably just keep the original on there. I don't really have really big hands, so I don't need that big of a grip. It comes with a speed loader, which this is nice too, so your thumbs don't get sore after a day at the range of loading. It comes with all kinds of instructions and manuals underneath, which is a very nice box. So here's the 26. Beautiful gun. It's small to conceal, and it holds a lot of rounds, and that's what's nice about the Glock 26. And very cheap to shoot. I'll load up one of the magazines and show you what it looks like with that. So that has a magazine in it. Just the pinky hangs off. But it's not bad to shoot. It's really not bad to shoot. It's very reliable. And that's why I chose the 26. I wanted a small concealed carry gun and also a home defense gun, which, you know, I'll show you why it's good for home defense. You can pop in a 17-round magazine, or you can put a 30-round magazine in it, or 33-round. They have all kinds of different magazines, like Glock 19 mags will fit it. Any 9mm mags for Glocks will fit it. So now it's perfect for home defense. I just love the gun. It's really easy to shoot, and you know, if I wanted to take this, you know, for a backup, if I was going hunting, you know, it's perfect. And that's the Glock 26. And I'll do more videos of comparison in my next videos, but I just wanted to explain a little bit about the 26 and why I chose the 26 and why I think it's a really good gun. I might change the sights out later to night sights, but for now these sights are good. But thanks for watching my video, and subscribe to Backyard Shooters, and I will be putting a lot more videos up soon. Thanks for watching.